Hi everyone, it's the first weekend video of the new year. And this is Burak from Trading Channels. Trading Channels is about commodities, forex, stock indices on one package, and there's also another package for only stocks, and both of them offer free trials. So it doesn't cost you anything. There's no risk for 10 days. Give it a shot. Let's have a look at ES now. As we always start with, you can see here S&P 500 has reached a new all-time high just at the close of the new year. Amazing, right? This is like almost like a symbol. They just wanted to close it at a new all-time high, and now it is pushing against the blue resistance again. You can see here this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 attempt, and if it breaks, then a rising resistance breaking to the upside is as bullish as it gets. And also, like on Friday, just before this all-time high, it was a very clear triangle breakout. This was a textbook breakout. You can see here it was touched 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times, and then this is the final push for the new year. Now Dow is also, like you can see here, it tried what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, broke it, came for a back test. It was kind of a deeper back test where it went back into the channel a bit, but now and then this red broken resistance zone was back tested, so that one didn't give up that quickly. And also Dow finished the year with a new all-time high. And the NASDAQ, no surprise here. The golden resistance here, let me show you the golden structure first. This here is the bottom band. This here is the top band of this part of the channel. Okay, and if this breaks up, then the next target is at 13,500, which includes this high. So I believe we're going to push towards that level in January. Clearly the green support was the level to watch for, and that one held, well, almost perfectly. Now this blue bull flag is ripe for a break, and that one's break will most probably clear this golden resistance, which was already tested 4 times, and this is the 5th time, and it's probably gonna clear it, and then it will open the way for 13,500. And Russell has pushed since break of this golden diagonal resistance and its backtest. It's been pushing higher and higher, grinding higher, and I think there is a trend. There's already a trend, but first, it tried to break the green top band, then fell back below it. I don't call these fakes as very bearish, because the fakes that really count are the bull flags and the bear flag. So if it forms a bull flag at some point, maybe here, okay, and then forms it and then breaks it to the downside, then I would be alarmed for the downside. But so far you can see the blue support caused a bounce, and I believe there is more upside coming on Russell. Even if it comes back to the green bottom band, I would expect a bounce, and that would make it a long entry. Okay, and Footsie here, since the break of this massive multi-month blue bull flag, yeah, this was the bull flag from June all the way to October, November time. This was the breakout, and now I suspect it may get into this green rising channel, the trend, and if it holds on Monday, I mean at tomorrow's open, then it may even clear the blue top bands or the blue resistance rail, and then surge all the way to 7,500, and the COVID gap is just about there. So I'm very bullish on Footsie as well. Last but not least is DAX. First, it cleared the red long-term resistance. You can see here that resistance held, caused a pullback. The green support held, and this was also caused a little bit by news, the new virus strain news. But then it tried to break the red and the green resistances, but so far failed. That this is again no reason to be bearish, just not yet. Okay, if I see some long-term supports breaking, then I would be alarmed, but so far this to me looks like a pullback. I believe DAX will follow through with this new all-time high breakout, and it will eventually clear the green resistance to the upside and move on. But again, I would suggest you to buy it here, but I wouldn't suggest you to buy it there because there is no structure yet. I wish it forms like a bull flag or something like this and then breaks it to the upside. That's the only way I would buy into DAX. But long term, what I mean is long term the trend is still up. Here, oil. You can see the red bull flags breakout was extremely bullish. Okay, that was again a multi-month breakout, the red one. It was broken here. Now the blue short-term or like an interim channel, you can see the bottom band is holding. In fact, this bottom band we bought, the green, golden and blue. This bounce was a long entry for my money, and I believe it's going to get to over 50, hopefully to the green top band. I closed half of the position anyway, so I can't take a loss here unless it gaps down big time, but so far it is looking good, and maybe we have a resistance here that is getting ready to be broken. So something like this, that would be a nice break to the upside. Okay, so that red, I think it looks like a resistance here, and that one's breakout would open the way for 50 plus. And natgas, I have been bearish since the golden top bands, and actually the black and golden top bands test right here. Just a second. I turned really bearish after this reversal. Now the black bear flag is broken and it's getting back tested, and I suspect it's going to sell off. It just filled this gap and it's back testing that at 250, 255, and this blue supports break will open the way for new lows, and the target is a minimum of just below 2. Okay, and then after that we'll see what happens. Gold, the green channel is very much in control. That is from 2008 law. You can see the top band, the bottom band, that is perfect channel. The golden top band was broken on Friday, but the back test is being forced now. Like the back test may or may not hold right here. It has to bounce right from here without breaking the red. Okay, if the red support breaks, then I would expect a bit more, let's say a pullback, but I don't expect the green channel to be broken anytime soon. And if this golden channels break, of course there's a spike out here, so I'm not very particularly impressed with this accuracy of this bull flag. But if it gets followed through, then I expect a new all-time high at 2,100 and probably 2,300, 400 within this year. So I'm very bullish on silver and gold, and also silver here. Look, silver's golden channel was a bull flag. That is the perfect bull flag that was broken just 2 weeks ago, which is why we're long. And now you can see this is the breakout. Short term, this golden resistance is broken and it's getting back tested, but the blue channel is breaking to the downside. So the purple support rail and the golden support may hold and send silver to 30 plus to get to at least to a new high, not new all-time high. And I'm again quite bullish for silver. The green one is speculative channel. It's not a channel that we can depend on, but it has very good internals, you can see here. Okay, so silver, but the real structure here is the red bull flag that is broken to the upside. And forex, euro dived a bit. You can see here it's going to touch the green bottom band soon, and the golden channel is also holding. So I'm still expecting 124, 125 within the golden channel. But if this golden channel prematurely breaks to the downside, then 120 may get back tested. That is the blue broken bull flag, and it's back test. Okay, you can see here this blue bull flag was broken. Okay, very clear breakout. 1, 2 touches on the top, and this is a rectangle, so it was broken. We may see a back test at 120, but long-term target is at 130, 135 in the next couple of months. So I will be buying the pullbacks on euro. And the main reason, I have shown this for a few times in the past weeks, this is the broken mega bull flag from 2008. So this targets a 160 again in the coming years. Yeah, unbelievable, right? King dollar, but no, I don't believe that. So King dollar is gone, guys. Here, pound sterling, the blue rail is now broken, and the target is 145, 150. That 150 is the beginning of the Brexit sell-off, and that's where it's going. So some people call it, I don't know, whatever they call it, but I don't care about these kinds of patterns. But to me, it is like a bottom out. Okay, this is now bottoming out, like a rounded bottom, or whatever they call it, or some people call it what, cup and handle or something. I don't care. What I care is this blue rail that is being taken out, and the red potential channel that is aiming for 145, 150, and then when it gets there, it's actually the game over for US dollar, in my opinion. I mean, pound sterling will rally to much higher from here. I'm very bullish on cable. And Aussie dollar, again, just touched multi-week, multi-month highs last week, and clearly this was the bull flag, yeah, and that was broken, back tested. We are still long Aussie dollar. Last but not least is Kiwi. Again, we bought the breakout, back test, and it's still moving higher. The only one that can stop this Kiwi big rally would be by if the green top band holds, then we may see a very deep dive. So that's where I'm looking at for now. I don't think it's going to happen. I don't think it's going to go back down, or at least I don't think it's going to get to this level again. But we may see some pullback before breaking the green channel. Okay, I mean, the green channel is now speculative so far. So if it reverses from here, then it becomes a channel. Okay, that's very an important sign for a channel. All right, thank you guys, take care, have a good rest of the year. Happy New Year again, everyone. Be well, be healthy, and hopefully 2021 will be much better than last. Bye.